Hello everyone, my name is Kamilla. Today I will sculpt the creations of the artist Trevor Henderson from plasticine. Moving on to the character. Its name is Nightwalk, is a mysterious tall creature, first mentioned in a tweet by artist Trevor Henderson. This character looks like a tall headless monster whose face is on his stomach. His age is unknown, and weaknesses have not been found. It is quite possible that they are not at all. The monster is very fast, you can even say that it has superhuman movement speed. Many sources say that the creature is intelligent and very cunning. The monster has black skin and almost nothing is visible in the dark photo. Also, in addition to the face on the chest, the character has two long arms with pointed hands and long legs that resemble stilts. According to Trevor's signature on the image, the creature usually finds prey at night. It is not known what the creature does with the captured person or animal, but anyone who meets the monster disappears without a trace. This was all the information I knew about this monster. I will sculpt, and you follow the process. Well, the monster Nightwalk is ready. If you like my stories and works, share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to put your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a new video.